Hello friends, I am Siddhartha, a proud student of MVN Sector 17 Faridabad. In the conductive environment of the school, I have bloomed, groomed and evolved each and every day, inching closer to my goal of rank holder in IIT JEE 2013. I realized my dream when I qualified IIT JEE 2013 with rank 310. From our school, in total 70 students have been selected in IIT JEE, 3 in AIIMS and 29 in NEET. MVN, with sole dream of late Shri Gopal Sharma with regard to selection of top IIT NEET competitors from Faridabad, maintains its progressive legacy under the dynamic leadership of Mr. Varun Sharma, Director Principal Mr. J.P. God, along with his team of proficient staff members, providing me with the best guidance by effective teaching, evaluating, monitoring and upgrading my performance. My teachers, who are not only competent in the subjects but were always eager to clear my academic doubts, provide knowledge of the latest exam patterns of IIT JEE Mains and Advanced in this competition. I have no words to express my feelings at this moment, and I am sure that all my achievements could not have been materialized without the timely support of Team IIT JEE at MVN, who constantly kept me focused on IIT JEE exams and remained my strong beacon of light whenever I confronted a moment of doubt. The school groomed me into a humble and disciplined Indian citizen with an optimistic attitude towards a happy and result-oriented person. I am fortunate enough to be a KVPY and NTSC scholar. It is truly said that when 100 trained and motivated faculty members join hands with the passion to succeed, a stimulating intellectual climate is produced towards excellence. In my 11th and 12th classes, the concepts were presented in the most logical and interesting manner within an environment for competition and doubt-clearing classes. Detailed conceptual discussions took place, due to which I could practice problems with the classroom. Supplements, practice, materials and handouts were provided with the pattern proof system. My teachers brought me closer to the underlying principles and addressed all our problems. Classrooms, quizzes and tests were organized for our continuous assessment, giving us real competitive life experiences. Class analyst sessions were strategized to optimize our command on the subject and maximize our confidence and speed. School made sure that the syllabus was timely finished with adequate time for self-studies. It goes without saying that MVN has produced par excellence result in IIT, AIEEE, AIIMS, PMT, now NEET and IIM, besides many other competitive exams like KVPY, RMO, NS, NTSC, etc. With Nitin Jain, rank holder 1 in IIT JEE 2009 and Arpit Agarwal, first rank holder in IIT JEE 2012. It speaks volumes of achievements and accomplishments of my alma mater. Both the first rank holders were always a great source of inspiration, not only for me, but also for the IIT aspirants nationwide. I avail this opportunity to inform one and all that MVN Education Society has taken a big stride in successfully running the MVN University with graduate, postgraduate and doctorate course in various fields of engineering and business management courses, with more than 80% placements. I extend my hearty congratulations to the management. My address would remain incomplete until I express my profound gratitude to my school, MVN, for providing me with 100% fees exemption and my scholarship during study period in school. All in all, I owe my success to my parents, schools, teachers and the blessings.